So we took a Zodiac into some deep water from Fernandina Island, and this is the best snorkeling experience I've ever had. Before we even got into the water, as I was dipping my snorkel to clear up the mask, one of the sea lions actually popped up and tried snatching it out of my hands. This is because he was playing with the boat and playing with us all as soon as we get off. And actually, as soon as we got into the water, the sea lion was coming up to us and swimming all around us. He was darting up and down, and we were actually swimming alongside the sea lion, and he was swimming around us in circles. And it was one of those experiences that you just can't get anywhere else other from in Galapagos and from on a cruise ship. It was just really amazing. It's an adventure of a lifetime. Just after we saw the sea lion, there were these penguins that came and started bobbing up alongside us, and then we saw some absolutely massive turtles, and they were just slowly going along, and I actually was swimming alongside this turtle for a good 10 minutes. It was just an experience that you can never get anywhere else. Near the end of the snorkel, I was going through these two chasms almost, and as I was going through these chasms, I saw the biggest sea turtle I've ever seen, and it was on the bottom and it was nibbling on some little fish. So the next place we went to was Vincent Roca, and again we went snorkeling, and it was a totally different experience to any of the other ones that we've done before. We carried on swimming along, and there was hundreds of sea turtles, and I'm not over exaggerating with this, they were everywhere. We were told that this was because they just laid their eggs and they were protecting their eggs around there, so we had to be very careful not to touch them. But it was very hard not to, because it was like a minefield of sea turtles. They were everywhere. There were big ones, little ones, there were females, males, babies. They were literally anywhere you moved there was a sea turtle. So it was really, really hard not to actually touch one of them, but it was just breathtaking. It was a little bit scary, but it was they were literally everywhere. Coming to Galapagos on a cruise like this is just amazing. Seeing the different things that you see each time you go snorkeling, each time you go on land, it's just an amazing experience and a real adventure of a lifetime.
Hi everyone, thanks very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe below, and remember to click the bell to get those notifications turned on. And if you're looking for more fantastic travel content like this, then click on the videos to the right. It will be really, really informative. Or you can click on the planet logo to the left and go to our website for some really fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.